Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here and you click here on sync and backup. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on sync and backup to up this device here. So then you click here on turn on sync and backup. So then it's going to turn on with you like this. So that's all you have to do. In here can you save as PDF or copy code here, and you click here on next. So then it's going to your data is synced now. Then you click here on done. Then it's going to add video. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.